Tijuana flats, quesadilla. Tijuana flats, quesadilla. Tijuana flats, quesadilla. We got Tijuana flats, quesadilla. Good morning, good afternoon, my beautiful hot messes. My name is Mistress Lavender, also known as the Phenom Dictator, and welcome to my YouTube, where I post every single day, eat, fashion, all the fun stuff. This is my first time having Tijuana Flats quesadilla. The Tijuana Flats nachos and the Smack My ASS sauce, delicious. What's up? Open up. Good. This is not sponsored or an ad. My first time. Ooh, let's do the. Ooh, thumbnail. Mmm. Mmm. This is chicken. Mm-hmm. Yo, this is kids meal. Look how big the kids meal. I meant to get the adult one. It was buy one get one, but I think it was 2 things for quesadilla. I think I got the kids because it's apple juice and like candy or applesauce. I got applesauce. You know, I'm trying to be healthy. And I think now I got the kids meal, but for kids, hey, shout out. But they don't give you no sauce for kids meal. They didn't give me no guacamole, no sour cream, no salsa. I know you're here for the burp. Hey, and whoever's time stamping my burp, stop that. I want people to watch my videos all the way through, okay? If you want to do a video call with me, email me, phenomdictator@gmail.com for burping videos, fart, feet, etc. 18 plus only. Mmm. It's so good. If you want to gift me a DoorDash gift card, email me, phenomdictator@gmail.com or Miss Lavender. Everything will be down below. Click that description. I'm trying to figure out a thumbnail. Do you guys like that? There's no cheese pull. Oh, wait, hold on. Maybe one more. Making thumbnails is so funny. This is busting. I never had a quesadilla from Tijuana Flats. I'll definitely get the. Oh, this is the kids. Imagine the adults. What?